Right, good morning, or should I say good afternoon. It's about 20 past 2. So welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. I'm rather late starting filming this because I've had... What can I do for you? Oh, that's my phone playing up. Yes, I'm rather late to filming this Vlogmas today because I've had two of my sons come round with their families, so we had a spot of lunch, and it's just it was lovely, but time's flown by. So yeah, so we're going to this is the blanket so far. I think if you watched my video yesterday, you'll know how far I got with it, so I'm up to schedule, and we're going to open day 12. So I'll just turn you round and we'll open day 12. Right, I've even got Amy's trusty spatula thing just in case I can't get in the drawer like yesterday, but hopefully this will be better. Right, there's 12, and yes, it does open. Ah, this is a lovely green. So this is a mint green. Oh, and a matching tape measure. That's lovely. You can never have enough tape measures. So that's fantastic, because I like to keep one in each of my crochet or knitting bags, project bags, so that if I need to measure how I'm doing so far. So yeah, so let's go over to the website and see what it is we're meant to be doing with this.
And welcome back to day 12 of the Crochet Society Advent Crochet Along. Today we are going to be continuing to build on this side of the work. We are going to be using colour 12, and we are also going to be using colour 11 as well. So make sure that you have those.
Right, so we're going to use, I did wonder because we didn't use much of that ball, so we're going to mix and match. That's good. Let's move it along and see if we can see what we're actually going to do. Right, I don't know if you can see, but this is, I don't know, it looks a bit like a reverse of what we did before. It's a bit a reverse of this blue thing, but we're doing it in the two different shades of green. So that looks nice. That looks quite a few rows, so I should think that'll take up quite a bit of time today. So yes, I don't know if I'll be back at 5:30, but I'll do my best to show you what I've got up to. Right, good afternoon. It's 6 o'clock, so it's rather late. I've still got one row to, this is the so far, I've still got one row to do. We've been watching the Grand Prix, and I had to put the grocery down. The last lap was just, well, it was nail biting. So yes, I got a bit behind. But yeah, so this evening I hope to finish that last lap, and then it'll be finished. But it's looking good, isn't it? So yes, very pleased. Got one more row of the mint colour. So yes, so there it is all together, and look forward to seeing what we're doing tomorrow. And the candle mat that I'm making for my round coffee table, that's coming on. There we are. So I'm concentrating on this corner at the moment, as you can see. So it's that way up, isn't it? Working away from the middle. So that's coming on nicely. So I'm pleased with that. So I'll be doing that tonight once I finish the crocheting. But yeah, so that's it for this evening, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.